In primetime news this evening, parents of Portman Primary School on high alert after student abducted and harmed. Embattled church leader takes to TikTok after 38 people removed from the institution. And police high command calls for legislation review in light of increasing use of technology in crime.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Javon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, our news center has been reporting on the cybersecurity breach at Mayberry Investments. Now, the company has said that it has gotten control of the data that was released. So we'll give the details a little later on.
All right, and Spencer Darlington is also here. He'll give us a preview of what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Herman. Well, Natoya Gould had the top placing among Jamaican athletes who competed at the Paris Diamond League meeting today. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what can be done to prevent incidents of abduction in schools?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.